Learn English to Gujarati. Decisive to relevant with.
निर्णायक,
And.
संबंधित.
Welcome to the important circus. Hey, you are about to learn some seriously useful English and Gujarati words. And yes, we will do it without sounding like a dusty dictionary wearing a necktie. Welcome to today's vocabulary adventure, where everything is important, but some things are extra important, super important, and dramatically important like a soap opera actor holding the last cup of tea. Today you will learn decisive, primarily, fundamental, substantial, significant, and relevant. In Gujarati, that gives you
निर्णायक,
for decisive,
मुख्यत्वे,
for primarily,
मूलभूत,
for fundamental,
महत्वपूर्ण,
for substantial,
महत्वपूर्ण,
for significant, and
संबंधित.
for relevant. If these words were people at a party, one would decide the music, one would bring the basics, one would make a big speech, and one would keep asking, "Excuse me, but is this actually connected to the topic?" That last one is definitely
संबंधित.
your words for today. Let's meet the vocabulary one by one. Say them out loud with me, even if your cat looks concerned. Decisive is.
निर्णायक,
A decisive moment changes the result. Her decisive vote changed the result. In Gujarati, her
निर्णायक,
vote changed everything. Primarily is.
मुख्यत्वे,
It means mainly or chiefly. The shop sells primarily books. The shop sells
मुख्यत्वे,
books. Fundamental is.
मूलभूत,
It means basic, foundational, essential. Water is fundamental for life. Water is
मूलभूत,
for life. Substantial is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
It means large, meaningful, important in effect. There was a substantial improvement in her health. There was a
महत्वपूर्ण,
improvement. Significant is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
This discovery is significant. This discovery is.
महत्वपूर्ण,
Relevant is.
संबंधित.
It means connected to the matter. Please include only relevant details. Please include only
संबंधित.
details. A very serious meeting about snacks. Now let's make the words stick with a story. Because your brain loves drama, snacks, and weird situations. Imagine a town council meeting. The topic is absolutely urgent. Which snack should represent the city? The mayor stands up and says, "This is a
निर्णायक,
moment." Everyone gasps as if history itself has entered the room wearing shiny shoes. One committee member says, "We are
मुख्यत्वे,
concerned with taste." Another says, "No, no, crunch is
मूलभूत,
to the snack experience." Then a dramatic expert arrives with a
महत्वपूर्ण,
report that is 400 pages long and somehow still mostly about potatoes. After that, the oldest auntie in the room makes a
महत्वपूर्ण,
comment. If the snack falls apart in chutney, it has no future. Finally, a sleepy clerk raises a hand and says, "Can we please discuss only
संबंधित.
details? The last 10 minutes were about your cousin's wedding samosas." The room becomes silent. That comment was, frankly, heroic. Tiny memory tricks. You do not need magic to remember words. But silly images help, and they are cheaper than magic. 4.
निर्णायक,
Imagine a giant golden key deciding which door opens. One key, one outcome, very dramatic. 4.
मुख्यत्वे,
Imagine one huge spotlight shining on the main thing while all the smaller things whisper, "Wow, rude." 4.
मूलभूत,
Picture the foundation of a house. No foundation, no house. Just expensive falling. 4.
महत्वपूर्ण,
Imagine a huge heavy file dropped on a desk with a thud. It is substantial. It matters. It probably bruised the desk. 4.
महत्वपूर्ण,
Picture an official paper stamped important in giant red letters. Very significant. Very dramatic. Possibly unnecessary, but memorable. 4.
संबंधित,
Imagine a detective pinning only the connected clues on a board and throwing away random pizza coupons. Mini dialogue drill. Let's hear the words in action. You can repeat the Gujarati words after each line. A. Was that the turning point? B. Yes, it was.
निर्णायक.
A. What does this article focus on? B. It is.
मुख्यत्वे.
About safety. A. What skill comes first? B. Reading is.
मूलभूत.
A. Is this just a tiny change? B. No, it is.
महत्वपूर्ण.
A. Does this discovery matter? B. Yes, it is.
महत्वपूर्ण.
A. Should we include this detail? B. Only if it is.
संबंधित.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a fast quiz. No one is grading you except maybe your inner perfectionist, and that guy needs a hobby. What is the Gujarati word for decisive?
निर्णायक.
What is the Gujarati word for primarily?
मुख्यत्वे.
What is the Gujarati word for fundamental?
मूलभूत.
What is the Gujarati word for substantial?
महत्वपूर्ण.
What is the Gujarati word for significant?
महत्वपूर्ण.
What is the Gujarati word for relevant?
संबंधित.
Use them like a pro. Now let's make these words useful in real life. Fancy vocabulary is great, but only if it leaves the house sometimes. In work or study, say, this was a decisive factor. In Gujarati, decisive is.
निर्णायक.
When explaining focus, say, we are primarily interested in safety. Primarily is.
मुख्यत्वे.
When talking about basics, say, trust is fundamental. Fundamental is.
मूलभूत.
When something is big in effect, say, they made a substantial investment. Substantial is.
महत्वपूर्ण.
When something truly matters, say, this is a significant change. Significant is.
महत्वपूर्ण.
When something fits the topic, say, this information is relevant. Relevant is.
संबंधित.
Friendly conclusion. Nicely done. You just learned a set of powerful words without falling asleep into a dictionary. Today you practiced decisive, primarily, fundamental, substantial, significant, and relevant, along with their Gujarati forms.
निर्णायक. मुख्यत्वे. मूलभूत. महत्वपूर्ण. महत्वपूर्ण.
And.
संबंधित.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words out loud, use them in your own sentences, and come back again soon. Your progress is real, your effort is.
महत्वपूर्ण.
And yes, that was a very relevant compliment.